The definition of yoga, it's not all about postures and asana and movement. It's actually union. It means living in harmony with nature, and it's where the ocean meets the sand and where the body and the mind meet. Now, the 8 limbs of yoga, the yamas, the niyamas, asana, which are the physical yoga postures you take when you go to a yoga class, the pranayama, which is the breath control, the pratyahara, the dharana, and the dhyana, and the samadhi. So those are the 8 limbs, according to Patanjali, a great philosopher from India, who made these 8 limbs of yoga up. And we're going to talk about the first 2, the restraints for the collective, the whole world, and then the observances just for your individual self. And there's 10 altogether, 5 for the whole world and 5 for our individual selves.
Runner stretch, some things that my body needs. You got to find out, what does your body need? Sometimes I have to hang upside down. It's so bizarre, but I get on my table and I hang upside down, open my arms, and let my body from here down just hang. It's total reversal of everything I was doing all day, which is upright and this direction. So I'm upside down in this direction. It just totally transforms me. Everything, it's just like a spinal flush, actually. It feels wonderful. Drinking water with intention as you drink the water. You drink the water thinking, I am cleansing everything out. From Mary and Susie and Barbara and Eddie, whoever you massage, their stuff, cleansing internally with big glass of water at the end. I go for a walk in nature. Nature's a big thing for me. I love being in nature, just alone, me in the woods. And something about being there and walking and the breath coming in and out of the body, it's really good for recharging. And a salt bath, that's a big one. You can really get clean on all levels with the salt bath. And then there's one more big one that I want to share with you. What is that? Receiving. Get a massage. Okay. Brahmacharya. This actually translated means walking with God. And if you don't believe in God, you can call it walking with the light, or walking with goodness, or walking with the divine intelligence, whatever it is that works for you. And Brahmacharya really is about overdoing excess, eating excess, carnal pleasures. And you can bring it into just life. The key is moderation with everything. This is really important too. My daughter, I always tell her, who are you hanging out with? Whoever you're hanging out with is going to color your world and your choices. And it's true. So if you can choose your friends, choose them wisely. Choose the ones that make you laugh, make you feel good, that are funny, that are positive and uplifting and support your process. And remember to sing and dance. I love that one. So I think we're done. Let me just check. That's it. That's the last one. So thank you so much for sitting with me. Feel free to email me if you have any questions about anything I talked about, or just to say hi. All right. Have a great day.
Thank you.